Hey guys, you know what? I just want to give you a quick update for a summer project. Just nice and easy. Is your fence looking tired? How about your sidewalk or your porch? Things like that. I'll tell you what to do. Get you a power washer and clean them off. Because this is the perfect time. The water's going to evaporate quickly and you can go back to whatever else you're doing, but you can also stay cool while you're spraying down stuff. So here's what we're talking about. All right, so if your fence is looking tired like this, and it's not in bad shape, it's just, kind of old looking, well, get you a power washer. You don't have to get a really powerful one. I did this one with a 1800 PSI power washer. And then, I don't know how well you can see it, but see that right there? I just started power washing off my sidewalk. Thing is, my sidewalk had a whole bunch of old stain or paint or something. And then I just kind of did a little section on my front porch. I don't know how well you can see this, but since it's in the shade, it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see the dirty part right there, and then the clean part. It just, there you go. You can see a little bit of a difference right there. It just makes it look better. So that's just a quick project for summer. And I'll tell you what, after you get done power washing your fence, give it about a week and a half, 2 weeks to dry out. Go get yourself some Thompson's water seal and treat it. Keep it nice and fresh looking. But I'm gonna keep on going. And maybe I'll give you a little clip at the end and show you what the fence turned out to look like at the end. Catch you in a minute. You're definitely gonna get wet and you're gonna get goop all over you. So make sure that you wear some kind of glasses because it does spray back in your face. Anyways, that's how that works. And it's actually kind of gratifying because you see the results immediately. Anyways, I'll catch y'all next time. At some point I'll give you an update after I treat this. Let you see what it looks like afterward. But as I always say, go tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see one. Catch you next time. Bye.